Hi everybody, this is Alan from Ripperton Resources. I want to show you how to mount our new product. It's the companion to our packout mount for this power head. And this is a 2825-20. Again, we have the same features as on the packout version, except it's a wall mount. We have 3 points where we're going to connect with the power head to hold it in place, and you'll see in a minute that it's pretty stable when it's on there, and it takes a jostle from underneath or a push up from underneath to get it to come off of both this key and these slots that will fit up into the air intake. To mount it, you can put it anywhere. You can mount it on the wall. I'm just going to use some short screws to mount it. So you should be able to, to mount it, you just screw those in. Very secure. Just like on the packout, you will secure it to both the top and the bottom, and you can see it's very secure. It's just it's very simple to connect it.